Hi, this is Bob Price. Welcome to my video. In this video, we will go over how I used Poser software to create my tarot deck, to be able to create and pose the characters I needed to. Well, I wouldn't be able to have the time to draw or illustrate all of the characters for the cards, and I also wanted to pose them in a certain way so that I could capture the meaning of the cards. So I did research and found this program called Poser. Poser enables you, just like the old art wood objects that you would put of people, that you could pose them in different angles and you could draw them. Poser would allow you to do that digitally. And so I used that to create my characters that I have on my cards. Now, the interesting thing about AI is AI will let you create things like characters and tarot cards, but what it won't let you do is pose the stuff exactly the way you want. To do that, you need a program like Poser. Nowadays, Poser will actually let you import backgrounds into Poser itself so you can do everything in one step. But back when I was creating my tarot cards, I would create the Poser characters and I would make them so that they would be transparent. And then I would bring them into the card and I would illustrate the backgrounds. And a lot of times the characters may be bald and I would paint hair on them and decorate them so that they were fitting to what the card means. So that was how I was able to create my original tarot deck. This is the box that I created for the original tarot deck. I printed this out on cardstock, and when you print that out, you can actually fold it over and it makes a box. I had to figure out how to do that. This gives you an idea of what some of the cards look like. I will be doing videos where I go through all of the major arcana and the minor arcana cards in the future here, but this kind of gives you an idea of what some of the cards look like. One thing you'll notice is from using Poser, had characters like in the Three of Cups. You'll notice that blonde woman is the same one that's in the Four of Cups, and it's the same one that's in the Five of Cups. Notice how she's caught in the cup. Now, I put her in that cup. I tried to use the things like cups. If it was cups, I tried to apply it to the characters in interesting ways, as this Five of Cups. Notice how she's feeling trapped inside of the cup. And the Five of Cups is about that, about being trapped. Notice the spider web around the outside, just focusing on this one card. But there's an element of hope. The cup that's lit right down in front of her on her feet. There's hope if she looks for it in this card. But she feels right now she can't see that because she's feeling trapped and just reaching out. How do I get out of here? Now, if you notice something interesting about that card, you'll notice that there are 5 cups, the 4 cups below her, and the big cup that she's caught in. Anyway, I hope you like this overview, and more videos will be coming.